if you are wondering if you have to use the original USB cable for your Nothing Phone 4a, then the answer is no, not really. Whether it is for charging, for connecting with other devices, and so on and so forth, you can use a USB cable that is made by another brand. In fact, you don't have to use USB-C to USB-C either. As long as your USB cable has USB-C on one end, the other end can be, for example, USB-A, like this cable over here. This cable is going to work as well. And I actually use this kind of cable to charge Nothing Phone 4a, simply because my power adapter has USB-A port, so I cannot really use the original cable because it doesn't fit my power adapter that I use on a daily basis. So this is not the Nothing's cable, this is actually Realme's cable, and it works just fine. I also have other cables that are, let's say, made by brands that are not really that known, and they work as well. Of course, you have to consider a couple of things when trying to get a USB cable, and that is, for example, the speed of the cable, and even the option to transfer files, because there are USB cables that cannot transfer files. So if you need that feature, then of course you need to keep that in mind while purchasing the cable. But yeah, these other cables work as well, and you can use them to charge the phone, to transfer files, and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.